Oh, here we go. Is it alright if I stand here? No, I guess you didn't hear it. Oh. I'm sorry. They're going. They're going.
I know. That's why my car's going to be in reverse.
I'm still recording. Workers down there. A wild goose chase here. Yeah. And then just don't look at obviously, but follow behind him. I don't know. I think they're with Trona. I think that's a Trona engine. Because they were wearing yellow shirts. So saying right now is going to be posted on YouTube too, so. Oh. Holy crap. Oh, that cop's booking it though. That looks way better than the one they have at, what is it, Trust? He's not going as fast, but yeah, I could tell when they started moving fast, I could tell that he was gonna, oh, here he is. Yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that SD60, I think that is. That's a Southern Pacific. Oh, that's a Union Pacific, alright. Yeah, that truck is also flying. That's the first time I've seen that stuff on YouTube and stuff of the Union Pacifics, and one of my favorite YouTubers, Coaster Rail Fan 2105, I think has gone out here too. Shout out to him for making me want to do this. Oh, they're pulling into here. Dang, I
I
can't.
can't pull into there. I mean, I can, but not very.
Yeah, they might be stopping here. You want to pull onto this dirt road? I know you can't go up to the up here to the. Oh,
But we can go into town and go. If you want me to get you another soda or something at the general store, they're coming through close to the train tracks.
yeah. Oh, there's a high rail. I should have recorded that.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna- This man was just hauling earlier, and now he's going as slow as a snail. Hear the rumble of his train now. I'm probably gonna get jump scared when I hear this horn. Come on, go down. Oh yeah. There he goes. I didn't get the train number, but there you go.